If you recently noticed that your face has started to sag, or you've developed more noticeable facial asymmetry, such as one corner of your mouth sitting higher than other, one eye appearing larger, uneven eyebrows, or your chin gradually shift on one side, it may be time to pay closer attention to your pelvis. When the pelvis becomes tilted or rotated, your body naturally creates compensatory movement patterns to maintain balance. These compensations can travel upward through the rib cage, the cervical spine, eventually affecting facial alignment. As a result, some people begin to notice the increasing facial asymmetry, with one side feeling tighter while other appears to droop. If you are currently doing heavy resistance training, this is especially important. When significant left-right balance already exists, continuing to train under heavy loads, it can reinforce those compensatory patterns that can make your facial asymmetry more noticeable or causing subtle imbalances to become more apparent over a very short period of time. I know many women enjoy glute training to build stronger, more defined hips. However, if your pelvis is already misaligned, adding more nodes without first restoring pelvic stability and balance, it can simply strengthen dysfunctional movement patterns. Over time, those compensations can influence your overall body alignment, and it can eventually be affected in your face. In the previous session, we focused on improving the nasolabial folds by using precise temporalis muscle training to help lift the face. Today, we are learning several targeted exercises that focus on restoring pelvic alignment, helping rebuild the more stable foundation for natural face lifting. But I have to put an important note here. Those exercises demonstrated in this video are based on individualized assessment because everyone's body structure, compensatory patterns, and neuromuscular control are different. The appropriate exercises, training directions, intensity, and load will vary from person to person. So please do not apply those exercises without considering your own individual assessment.